Roofing is a crucial component of any building, providing protection against the elements and maintaining the structural integrity of the property. A metal roof can provide you with long-term savings, durability, protection, and an attractive appearance.
The benefits of having a metal roof are multifaceted. First and foremost is longevity. A metal roof will last 2 to 3 times longer than any other roof system in the market. In addition to that is the aesthetic aspects of a metal roof. Metal roof looks good. It makes your house look good and it adds value to your home. When a customer is looking to have a new roof put on their house, the first thing they need to do is make sure that they're choosing a contractor who has experience and possibly specializes in metal roofs.
There are several compelling reasons to consider a metal roof for your home.
The roof is ultimately important in your house. It protects everything you own. It protects your life. Homeowners should be inspecting and evaluating the exterior of their house on a semi-annual basis. That goes for the roof as well. You really need to make sure that the ravages of summer or recent storms haven't caused damage to your roof, in which case a leak may not even be detected inside, but could still be causing damage to your roof. Most homeowners think a standard roof is a 3-tab asphalt shingle. The difference between an asphalt shingle roof and a metal roof is longevity. Asphalt shingle roof typically lasts between 12 and 15 years, in which case it gets sent to a landfill for disposal. Over 11 million tons of asphalt shingles get disposed of annually. Aluminum roofs have a 90% recycled content, and both steel and aluminum roofs can be recycled after their service life. On the coast of Florida, roofing durability and longevity is critical. Your roof needs to last through the ravages that Mother Nature throws at it. Gulf Coast Supply and Manufacturing's Ocean Guard finish warranty protects your investment for 35 years and is transferable if you choose to sell your house.
Metal roofs offer a sleek, modern look that can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your home. Gulf Coast Supply and Manufacturing offers a variety of styles, finishes, and colors, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's architectural style.
We offer 35 colors in 9 different panel profiles, which will complement all architectural styles. We use satellite technology and your street address to determine your panel layout and material takeoff. Those are provided to contractors so they can provide the install price. If you want to know what your home will look like with a metal roof, we offer Proof My Roof. You simply go to our website, upload a picture of your house, and we'll provide a picture of what it will look like with a metal roof on it.
The team at Gulf Coast Supply and Manufacturing delivers unparalleled customer service.
Many homes have complex roof geometries. We offer our jet crating service to help the contractor organize his installation process. An organized process is an efficient and safe process.
We were looking for a vendor that supported our philosophies, which was to produce the most high quality material in the market. Our experience with Gulf Coast has been one where they meet our expectations every time. Doing millions of dollars worth of metal roofs a year, you come across all kinds of interesting scenarios. So having a partnership with a place like Gulf Coast Supply, who has the capabilities of facilitating the hundreds of orders we have every year. They have a support staff for us to come right to us immediately, fix a problem if it's 100 miles away or 1,000 miles away. When you look at time and distance, that equals money in our business. When we can get something completed a day earlier, then we are more profitable as a business, and we have better relationships with our homeowners, with our installers, with our business associates, and with our vendors. That's a big deal.
The supplier plays a huge role in the success of a metal roofing project. Obviously the installer is going to be important. You've got to put it on right, but you've also got to have great materials. At Gulf Coast, you're getting the best materials in the marketplace. The coatings, the quality of the steel, the testing, everything that they make here is designed specifically for high wind regions. And then our installation practices are designed to make sure that that roof's going to hold up no matter what Mother Nature throws at it.
Staying ahead of the trends and on top of industry advancements is how Gulf Coast Supply and Manufacturing remains the trusted partner in the metal roofing community and beyond.
In addition to its weather resistance and low maintenance, metal roofing provides energy efficiency. Several studies from the Florida Solar Center indicate 10 to 25% energy savings for your home. As a Floridian, we're all worried about insurance costs. Many insurance companies are offering incentives for roofing with metal.
To find out more about Gulf Coast Supply and Manufacturing, visit gulfcoastsupply.com and designingspaces.tv.